Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and this video is going to consist of two parts. In the first part, I would like to unbox this gorgeous Vanity owl from Diamond Art Club that I purchased at Joann's. And in the second part of the video, I would like to show you my framed Horn of Plenty from DDotz. This is a special edition that I purchased at Walmart. If you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you saw the post review. But let's start with this gorgeous owl. So I was at Joann today, and they have an event going on, 30% off on all DDotz and Diamond Art Club kits, and they actually have pretty many from Diamond Art Club kit. From Diamond Art Club in comparison to what they had like a few months ago. So this kit cost originally $25. I purchased it for $13.99. $14. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 13 by 13 inches, and it has 56 colors. Oh my god. 2 Aurora Borealis and 2 Fairy Dust Diamonds. To tell you the truth, I was reluctant to purchase it at first because I thought that it was a partial kit, but no. The background is diamond painted with white drills. More than that, I assume it is either limited edition or it is an old kit, but I don't think so because Fairy Dust drills are pretty recent, so I don't think it's an old kit, but most likely it is a limited edition because I could not locate this kit on Diamond Art Club website, or I could not find any post reviews of this very kit. I could locate it only on Amazon and Joann websites. That's it, nothing else. That is why I assume that this is a limited edition, and this is the reason why I purchased it. And as you can see, the picture itself is really very cute. So this kit comes with symbol stickers that you can tape, I guess, on the Ziploc bags or containers if you sort out for the diamond painting. This is just a very quick summary of the kit, and you can also stick it to something. It's a sticker. There is also a warranty and insurance card, step-by-step instructions, and the tools. The tools are pretty standard, but I like that they come in a reusable bag. So it consists of the standard stylus, 4 drills multiplacer, heart-shaped wax, transparent white tray, the hand grip, and Ziploc bags. And as always, we will start with the canvas. The canvas of a very good material. As far as I understand, it is vinyl on outside, and on the back it is pretty soft, but the softness differs from budget Diamond Dots canvas. It is not as soft. Diamond Dots, not standard, but budget canvas is like more cotton-like. This one is just, the softness is a little bit different. Now, I'm amazed. Why? Because when you look at this picture, you would never think that this kit can have 56 colors, right? Just look at it. It seems like maybe 20 colors, 25 colors, no more than that. 56, unbelievable. I think it will turn out to be gorgeous, and the colors themselves look very pastel, very soft. And if we look at the symbols, you can see that they are very easily recognizable. They are pretty clear. The only thing that I don't like is the those black wheels around the white symbol on the background, because if you incorrectly place the drill, this black circle can be seen through. But I was thinking maybe of using AB drills randomly on the background as well, together with resin drills. I'm not sure. I would love to replace everything with white ABs, but unfortunately I do not have that many in my storage. So as to the owl itself, look at that. I think that the color blending would turn out to be amazing, taking into consideration the fact that there are 56 colors, so many shades of I guess pink and purple and beige. Gorgeous. Maybe I will use crystal drills on the owl's eyes. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure about the customization. The only thing that I can tell you for sure, I will be randomly adding AB drills, white AB drills on the background. So that's how it looks. 56 colors. So the size is, as you see, 13 by 13 inches, full, and 2 AB and 2 fairy dust colors. Okay. And of course, it has a pour glue, not double-sided adhesive. That's amazing that I cannot find the post review of this kit anywhere. I cannot even find the unboxing video or a completed kit just to see how it would turn out. But well, I guess I will be the first one. Now let's look at the drills and the colors. As I mentioned before, they are very soft, very delicate, pastel, very subtle, and at the same time they are muted. Although there are a lot of like bright colors, at the same time they are very muted. Like for example, pink color, right? So there are a lot of shades of pink and orange and beige and purple. Look, for example, at this variety of purple drills, right? I hope I'm not moving my phone too fast here. I will show you the fairy dust and AB drills as well. There are also some brown shades. Beautiful colors. As much as I prefer bright colors, for example, for fall kits, I also like these pastel ones. They look very sophisticated to me. Like, I would say that aristocrats would have this kind of painting in their home. Very interesting kit. And when I was purchasing it, the cashier really liked this design a lot. Okay, now let's stop at the fairy dust. So there are two colors of the fairy dust. The first color is this this yellow one. Okay, so the fairy dust is like sparkled powder, I would say, spread on the drills, versus ABs where there is some hologram on them. And of course, ABs are they sparkle way more, right, than fairy dust. Fairy dust, I would say, shimmer, while ABs sparkle. Okay, so this is the first fairy dust color. This is the first AB color, like light pink. So these are just regular resin drills. This is white color. Again, unfortunately, I do not have that much in my stash to replace all the whole background, but maybe it's not really needed for this picture, because again there are a lot of pastel colors. Most likely I will be just doing randomly, I will be adding randomly white ABs over there. So now this is the second fair dust color. So the first fair dust color is yellow, the second one is, I would say, white, right? And as to the ABs, so the second AB color is this one, I would say salmon color. So if we compare them, here you see like pink and I would say salmon on light orange. So these are two AB colors. Okay, so if you're interested. So I think it will turn out to be gorgeous. So this is the first, right, part of my video. And in the second part of my video, I would like to show you my framed Horn of Plenty from DDotz. It was a special edition that was sold exclusively in Walmart, and I couldn't frame it for some time. But today, again at Joann, there was like a doorbusters event. It's 40% off the frames. This frame cost $20. I purchased it for $11, as far as I remember. Yeah, so that's how it looks. The frame is like golden color. Not sure what it is made of. Most likely plastic. I'm not sure if it is. It doesn't really sound like acrylic, maybe glass. I'm not sure. Maybe it is glass, actually. So really very pretty. I like how it looks framed. I think that golden color matches the design colors. So, and it is ready to be given away as a gift. Beautiful. But what I like the most is the discounts that they have. So I would really encourage you to check your local Joann today, tomorrow, and on Monday during Labor Day, because again, all kits, diamond painting kits, are 30% off. The frames are 40% off. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like this kit, I would advise you to visit your local Joann or go to Joann website and search for Vanity Owl. They have it available online, and again, I saw it on Amazon, but I cannot guarantee anything with Amazon if they are selling a Diamond Art Club kit, where it was the design was copied by I don't know, some other company, and they just, you know, computer generating it. I'm not sure if it is Diamond Art Club, but Joann would definitely ship you the Diamond Art Club design. So after I complete this very kit, this is a full square drill diamond painting kit from Make Market. What's unique about this kit is that it has a square shaped diamonds, and I really love them. First of all, they are resin. Second of all, I really like that they almost lacking the gapping. There's almost no gapping. If you see gapping, that's because of me. I didn't place it inaccurately. I placed it inaccurately because I was using a multi-placer. So I really like how it's turning out, and once I complete it, I will record a video review. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.